The unique personality traits of INTJ men. INTJ men make up a small percentage of the population, around 2 to 4%, and possess a distinctive set of characteristics that sets them apart from others. They are analytical, strategic, and independent thinkers who value efficiency and productivity. In this video, we'll be exploring 12 unique traits of INTJ men that make them stand out from the crowd. Whether you are INTJ man or just curious about this personality type, this video is for you. So, let's get started. Number 1. Analytical mindset. One of the most distinctive traits of INTJ men is their analytical mindset. They have a natural ability to see patterns and connections in complex data, which makes them excellent problem solvers. INTJ men are always looking for ways to improve processes and systems, and they enjoy using their intellect to develop innovative solutions. Number 2. Independent thinkers. INTJ men value their independence and are not afraid to go against the norm. They have a strong sense of self and are not easily swayed by external influences. This independence allows them to pursue their goals and ideas without being hindered by others' opinions. Number 3. Strategic thinkers. INTJ men are strategic thinkers who can quickly identify opportunities and risks. They have a long-term perspective and can anticipate potential problems before they occur. This makes them excellent planners and organizers, as they can develop strategies that will help them achieve their goals. Number 4. Rational decision makers. INTJ men are rational decision makers who use logic and analysis to make decisions. They weigh the pros and cons carefully and consider all available information before making a choice. They are not swayed by emotions or external pressures, which allows them to make clear-headed decisions. Number 5. Visionary. INTJ men have a unique ability to see the big picture and imagine future possibilities. They are often visionaries who can envision a better future and work towards creating it. They are not satisfied with the status quo and are always looking for ways to improve themselves and the world around them. Number 6. Perfectionist. INTJ men are perfectionists who have high standards for themselves and others. They strive for excellence in everything they do and are not satisfied with mediocrity. While this can be a strength, it can also lead to unrealistic expectations and frustration when things don't go as planned. Number 7. Private. INTJ men are private individuals who value their personal space and time. They are not comfortable sharing their emotions or personal details with others and may come across as reserved or aloof. However, this does not mean that they are not caring or empathetic, but rather they prefer to show it in their actions rather than their words. Number 8. Self-confident. INTJ men are self-confident individuals who trust their own abilities and ideas. They have a strong sense of self and are not easily swayed by others' opinions or criticisms. This confidence allows them to take risks and pursue their goals without being hindered by self-doubt. Number 9. Critical thinkers. INTJ men are critical thinkers who can quickly identify flaws or weaknesses in a system or argument. They are not easily swayed by emotions or biased opinions and use logical analysis to evaluate information. This critical thinking allows them to make informed decisions and avoid being misled by false information. Number 10. Innovative. INTJ men are innovative thinkers who enjoy exploring new ideas and concepts. They are not satisfied with traditional or conventional ways of doing things and are always looking for ways to improve or innovate. They enjoy exploring new technologies, theories and approaches and can develop creative solutions to complex problems. Number 11. Efficient. INTJ men value efficiency and productivity and are always looking for ways to optimize their time and resources. They are organized and focused individuals who can prioritize tasks and complete them quickly and effectively. They do not waste time on unimportant tasks and are always looking for ways to streamline processes. Number 12. Future-oriented. INTJ men are future-oriented individuals who are always thinking about the long term. They have a vision for their future and are willing to work hard and make sacrifices to achieve their goals. They are not content with short-term gains and are willing to invest time and effort in projects that may take years to complete. This future-oriented mindset allows them to plan and prepare for the future and take proactive steps to ensure their success. However, it's important to note that no personality type is superior to another, and there are strengths and weaknesses to each type. Understanding and appreciating the differences between personality types can help us work together more effectively and achieve our goals more efficiently.